So here's another exam review problem from class. It actually was similar to a test problem that you had in Unit 5. It says in the rectangle below, AB is 2x plus 4, so I'm going to label my diagram. CD is x plus 7, and AD is 12. Okay, but it said it was a rectangle. So you have to recall what you know about a rectangle. A rectangle, at the minimum, is its definition, a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. So I want to see those right angles labeled. Now, anytime I see a right angle, I really need to think about the Pythagorean theorem. In some way, it may come into a place where I need it. All right, so I looked at it and I remembered that one of the properties of a rectangle or a parallelogram was that opposite sides were congruent. So I immediately saw that I could set 2x plus 4 equal to x plus 7. All right, so that gives me, let's see, I'm going to subtract x, subtract 4, and so I'm going to get x equals 3. All right, now how does that help me? I'm trying to find the length of BD. So I'm trying to find the length of this segment going across, the diagonal of the rectangle. So if I look at that, that diagonal actually cuts the rectangle into 2 right triangles. And I have one side, and I'm trying to find the hypotenuse of that right triangle. Well, I now can use the x I have and plug it in, substitute it in here. So 2 times 3 plus 4 gives me 10. So now I can actually use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm going to let this be c, because remember, c always is across from the right angle, the hypotenuse. It's the longest side. So 10 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. All right, so then 100 plus 144 equals c squared. And I add those together and I get 244 equals c squared. Then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And so c is going to be approximately, I'm going to grab my calculator and I'm going to do the square root. So square root, hold on, let me turn it on. Square root of 244, and it's going to give me about 15.6. So c is approximately 15.6. So that means that BD is approximately 15.6. All right, guys, hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day.